While workout alone seldom brings about substantial weight reduction, there are some workouts that can improve your metabolic rate and make your weight loss diet plan much more effective. By adding also one metabolism-boosting exercise into your everyday routine, you can melt a lot more calories also after the workout so you can drop weight faster. Right here are 3 workouts to increase your metabolic process. 1. Strength training. Any kind of sort of stamina training will assist to permanently improve your metabolic rate. This is since muscles melt more calories while at rest than fat or anything else in your body. So by developing your muscular tissues to ensure that you have even more of them, your body will start burning more calories throughout the day without you needing to do any additional job. Try to do just 20 minutes of toughness training each day, concentrating on a different muscle mass team each day. You can use dumbbells, kettlebells, or various other exercise tools if you desire, but there are likewise a number of stamina training workouts that use your body weight. That indicates that you can enter stamina training anywhere and without needing to establish a residence fitness center. 2. Interval training. You can do interval training with nearly any type of aerobics or cardio workout. Interval training aids you shed much more calories than cardio exercise alone due to the fact that most cardio exercises need doing them for a long period of time before you have the ability to melt a good variety of calories. Nevertheless, via period training, you can shed a lot more calories in much less time and obtain a metabolic process increase afterwards. Interval training basically includes pushing on your own as hard as you can for brief ruptures of time, after that taking a duration of rest in between where you're still moving, yet not pressing on your own. As an example, if you are competing exercise, you may sprint as set as you can for 10 secs, stroll for 1 minute, and also repeat that 5 times. 3. Burpees. This is a workout that integrates stamina training and also cardio, as well as is just one of the best exercises to enhance metabolism. It not only obtains your heart rate going because it is a high-intensity exercise, yet it also works out every one of your major muscle mass groups. That means you'll obtain a temporary increase in metabolism from the cardio and also an irreversible increase from functioning your muscle mass. To do a burpee, start from a standing placement. After that, do a squat and also finish with your hands on the ground in front of you. Jump backwards with your feet right into a push-up setting and do a push-up. Leap your feet onward once again and after that leap upwards, reaching your hands as high into the air as you can. You can do these in collections or simply attempt to do as many as possible in a short quantity of time. Keep in mind that whatever workouts you do, they require to be along with having a healthy diet, so they will certainly improve your metabolic process and also assist you drop weight. Most of the moment, it takes hours of extreme workout to offset inadequate consuming behaviors, so start with excellent consuming routines and afterwards include these workouts to increase your metabolic rate.